Delicious cranberry upside-down coffee cake recipe. Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're making a mouthwatering cranberry upside-down coffee cake that's perfect for any occasion. This recipe combines the tartness of cranberries with the sweetness of cake, creating a delightful treat that's sure to impress your friends and family. Follow along as we guide you through each step of the process. Ingredients. For the cranberry topping: 1 cup fresh cranberries, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup unsalted butter. For the cake: 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1/4 cup milk. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9-inch round cake pan and set it aside. Start by making the cranberry topping. In a small saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the brown sugar and stir until it's dissolved. Then, add the fresh cranberries and cook for about 5 minutes, until they start to soften and release their juices. Remove from heat and pour the cranberry mixture into the bottom of the prepared cake pan, spreading it out evenly. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the sour cream and milk. Mix until just combined, being careful not to overmix. Pour the cake batter over the cranberry topping in the cake pan, spreading it out evenly. Bake in the preheated oven for 30–35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Once baked, remove the cake from the oven and allow it to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then, carefully invert the cake onto a serving platter or plate. Serve slices of the cranberry upside-down coffee cake warm or at room temperature. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this one. Happy baking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.